In my speech here, I showed the many advantages there are for, especially for smaller and medium-sized companies. With new modern CNC technology, your company gets much more flexible at low cost. You gain a very good quality of products, in fact, and as a last point, you have you can produce more products, and this opportunity offers much more flexibility in the aims for your company. You can now, for instance, work for a colleague, accept orders from colleagues. You can work as a supplier for other industries, or you may even concentrate on a special product niche. With modern machinery, you gain more opportunities for your company. We have here the complete offer of modern CNC technology. All the big players producing such kind of machines are here, are exhibiting their products on the show. You have quite a good, overview over this branch.